Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change your nickname in Facebook. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. And you're going to need to go to Facebook to do that. Then here you click on the menu. In the upper right corner, you open Settings and Privacy. Media Account Center. Then Profiles. Select Facebook. Open name. Manage other names. It'll load like this. You have to wait. And then you have to specify here at the top. Name type nickname. And then at the bottom, sign it and come up with your nickname. I came up with Tech Promotion. Now click Save. The download is done. Now we click Exit. Completely exit. Now we're going to close. We're going to go back to our page. And now here, we should have our nickname in our Facebook profile. If you liked this video, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. See you later. Goodbye.